Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of KitchenAid Artisan versus Professional. Watch this video to the end to find out which mixer is better. So the main difference between the KitchenAid Artisan and Professional series is their bowl support design. Whereas the Artisan's mixer bowl support design entails the mixer bowl resting on the appliance's base, the Professional mixer embraces a bowl lift system. In the bowl lift design, the mixer bowl is suspended off the base of the mixer by its side supports screwed to extended frames from the stand. This design offers the bowl a much stronger anchorage and stability, which is necessary for mixing heavy ingredients in large batches. So, the Professional mixer's bowl support design provides a more stable support to the bowl than that of the design adopted in the Artisan mixer. Efficiency and work rate. The KitchenAid Professional mixer presents with more efficiency and a reliable work rate than the Artisan's counterpart. This outstanding performance is attributed to its robust 575-watt motor, which can offer 10 mixing speeds, regulated by knob control. Although the Artisan's motor also has 10 mixing speeds, it has a 325-watt output, thus being less efficient than the Professional motor. When efficiency and work rate are at stake, the Professional mixer is more powerful than the Artisan mixer. Bowl capacity. Bowl capacity is another important feature to consider when comparing mixers. The Artisan mixer has a 5-quart bowl capacity, whereas the Professional mixer presents with different bowl capacities, depending on the mixer series. For instance, the KitchenAid Professional 600 series has a 6-quart capacity, while the 5 Plus series has a 5-quart capacity. The Artisan mixer has a bowl capacity equal to that of some Professional mixers, although some Professional series still outsmart it. From the table, it's apparent that the Artisan mixer is smaller and lighter than its Professional counterpart. The former will therefore occupy less space and be moved easily. Similarities. Both mixers' bowls and blades are made of stainless steel, as displayed on the comparison table. Additionally, they both have 10 mixing speeds regulated by knob control systems. Verdict. So which is better? The Artisan is a good option for smaller spaces, and when moving the mixer due to its small size and light weight. On the other hand, the Professional mixer is better in terms of efficiency, bowl capacity, and mixing large and sticky ingredients due to a stable mixing bowl. For these reasons, I choose the Professional mixer as the better option. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us.